sick. So we get the tires installed. Sick. Let's get it. First tire's done. Well, they took out the first tire. And I'll get it. Them Falcons look big as hell. Look at that. Sheesh.
What do you want to record?
However you want. I guess just like you, like installing and everything. Nice. What was your name again? I'm sorry? Raphael, Matt. Nice to meet you. We got Raphael here, guys. He's actually doing the install on my tires. Look how freaking bald those are. Shit. Too much autocrossing. Oh, sick. So this is how a tire install goes, guys. Check it out. Wow. There's like disassembling off of the rim at the moment. Nice. Oh, sick. Wow. Very cool. I've never noticed how they did this. I guess that goes on the rim itself, just rips it off. That's crazy. Oh, shit. Wow. Nice. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, fuck, I'm in the way, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm in the way, I'm sorry. Nice. Oh, that's one tire gone. And here are the brand new Federals we're gonna be running. So nice. Oh. Alright, we got the first one. Look at that. Oh, damn, that looks beefy. Damn, that is huge. Oh, that's the Raider 55 in the rear. My bad. That is meaty. Look at that. Look how meaty this is. And that's a 55. Yeah, let's... So I think stock on the rear was 45, so I lifted to 55 on the rear. So it's gonna look beefy as my rear end. The front end actually changed. About 35, I think. It's a 45 now, so it's gonna sit a little bit wider, beefier. So yeah, once I stop the suspension, it'll be pretty beefy, but it looks good like that. Wow. All right, the front looks hella beefy just because I went up a size up. Shit. So 235, that's a 245 now. I kind of want to do 55 all around, but that might be rubbing problems with the coils. But we'll see. Oh, yeah, that looks way better. Oh, shit. I hope it doesn't rub too much. Oh, that actually might rub. Shit. Hold on. I don't know. That looks like that might rub. Looks really beefy. Look at that. Holy shit. Damn. That looks really good. Very nice. Damn, that thing is juicy. Oh. Look at the way it sits now. Holy shit. Yeah, that front looks really good. Ah, neat. Look at that. Wow. Dude, that thing is meaty. Whoa. Can't wait to put coils on this thing. Super good. Wow. Holy hell. Let's drop. That's it. Game over. This thing's gonna look so nice. So, he said I'd have like a finger. So maybe I won't be able to drop it more than an inch or an inch and a half of anything. It's probably gonna rub after. But the rear, I got some good spacing on the rear. Wow, look at this. Damn, that looks really good. Let's get a rear shot from it. Look at the rear, yo. Look at the... Oh my god, that is sick. Wow. And that is the final results right there. Got 245, 35, 19 in the front. Federal 595 RSRRs. Look at that beefiness. Now the only thing I'm worried about is clearance, because I'm going BC coil racing. Oh, coilovers, I'm sorry. So I don't know, it might possibly screw you. I don't fucking know, but hey, fuck it, whatever, right? then we got the 255 3519s in the rear. Look at that beefiness. Man, that shit is huge. Looks good. Damn. Look at this. I love the Federal 595 RSRR treads. It looks insane. Such a nice car. It looks good. Now just lower it. Maybe put a front lip. I don't know. Downpipe, exhaust, intake, tune. We'll see. Alright, but that's pretty much the end of the vid, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. More to come. Starting out. Go easy on me, alright? Peace.